Hi and welcome. This cybersecurity report was published by NCSC, that is National Cybersecurity Center, which is an organization under GCHQ or Government Communication Headquarters of UK. So this is the title of this report. Basically, it is related to cybersecurity threats and then the cybersecurity guidelines of legal sector. Now, if you go into the contents of this report, they have mentioned certain cybersecurity threats to legal sector, and then certain trends of legal sector and cybersecurity trends, and then at the end they have provided certain annexes. An annex A contains where you have to report a cyber incident, and then the next annex contains the guidelines for small businesses, and then the next one contains the information sharing program details, and then the last annex contains the cybersecurity controls for legal sector. And this is the scope of this report. Basically, it is pertinent to legal sector, and it also contains practical guidance on cybersecurity practices. Then they say that these guidelines are for the firms of all sizes, from small size firms to mid, and then the in-house legal departments up to international corporate firms. And they say that they have prepared this report in collaboration with these stakeholders. Now, this is the CEO of NCSC or National Cyber Security Center of GCHQ, and this is the President of Law Society. And this is a statement from National Cyber Security Center. And they say that they have a partnership of around 100 years with legal firms. This is the executive summary, and basically they have said that in 2014 the cyber threats were around 42%, and in 2016 the survey concluded that around 60% firms are affected with cyber threats. They say that the loss due to these threats to law firm amounts to around 11 million pounds. And they say that these law firms contains the sensitive client information, including their all personally identifiable information and financial details. And these are the four threats which are very common or more significant related to law firms. Now, here are these 10 cybersecurity guidelines that you have to improve your network security, then user awareness, malware protection, then the flash drives, then secure configuration of your systems, then user privileges, then incident management, monitoring, and home and mobile networking. And here are certain guidelines for small businesses, which includes the phishing guidelines, smartphone data related guidelines, and the malware protection and password protection guides. Now, if you go into the detail of this report, basically they have first narrated all the threats, including phishing, ransomware, data breaches, supply chain compromise, and certain trends in cybersecurity and in legal sector, and then where you can report these cyber incidences, and then the small businesses guidelines, and then the information sharing program details, and then here are certain controls to protect yourself from these cyber threats. And they say that you will get these benefits after implementing these controls. So this was all from my side. And here they have mentioned these details. And this was and here you can download this report. This is the website of National Cyber Security Center. So this was all from my side. Please stay connected to my channel for similar videos. Thank you.